Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad K. Sangma hakalai potring naitung ulap li ba ya ke bottling plan ke bahek du hakatan syate la mingi hamen di Pathar North Garo Hills. Ya kini ke bottling plants jongka Varun Beverage Limited PepsiCo lashna hakajaka ke bahek adu lai punyo akar hamen di Pathar Industrial Area hakajing baitingka ke bakot lai spa Saupo Kulur. Kini ke projek kadai ke jingkar kuna ke benta ke jelajongi namarkan pli ye kilat yok kam yok jam bat aji mentoi ki priu jong kathan haki babun ki benta ong Menteri Rangba dah ke bebenram. Kini kadai kedak ke jingkiu jong ke yok ke kuat ke baka Meghalaya ke ladon hakalenti ke badai ban kenjo syakathong. Don bapoi perkat baka bottling plan ke bahek du kan wan hamen di Pathar. Ula keduru baka ni ke projek ka bahek hapok rilum Garo kan nang kentiu ya ke jing angnut jong ki samla. Ki samla kani ke jokin yo i ya kilat ki kabu baka ni ke plan kan plina ke benta jong ki. Ngila ban antat ru baki lat ki kabu baper kin sawan hapok kathan. Menteri Rangba ula keduru baka mendi Pathar Industrial Area kadai ke balawan ra nadu kisnam kat kendai spa kendai po Henry lapalat lai po snam omsyam ladon Satya ki banwan sengkam. Hakini ki lai po snam ki balek no omsyam ladon Satya ki karkhana ki banwan. Kaladon ke jingkermen bat ke jingkebit linti ki bomsyam la urlong Satya. Ula ong habapun pau ke jing sngokya jong ulet PA Sangma ubayo iya ke mendi Pathar kum ke engine jong karoi ke par jong kerilum Garo. Menta kesengi kadai kesengi jong kejing kermen bar kejing pen urlong ya kata kejing yu ijengai jong UPA sama na kebenta kemendi Pathar bar kejela barok kawai benra Menteri Rangba. Ula airu kejing itu halor kejing nok senyang jong ki nokma ne nong sensyar shnong bar ki nong syong shnong kemendi Pathar ha keban nok senyang ya ke jaka ban seng ya ke industrial area nadu kini ki lai post nem ki balalek no. Kani ke bottling plan kan aikam hadu kumbasan spa ngut ki briu na ke benta ke jing penmi bat penyat yo ya ki PepsiCo bat ki jaj umso waper. U Konrad ula kenturu ya ki pai ba kathan bakin syem ya ke kabu halor ki kam ki bayde bat ke yo ka kuat da ke baong ki samla jongi kin yo shibun kilat ki kabu. Nolor kata ula pun menaru bahasa kawai pat ke plan kan sami syen ha kathan dikri kila bajeng doba ha ke bahadu kendai po persen jong ke kam la pendep menta. Ha kini ke jing lang layadon lang ru usumbut lampang Timothy Shira Menteri Boarding UAT Mondal Menteri ke PHE Markius Marak Chairman MIDC James K Sangma lembat ki wei pat ki MLA.
Today we have inaugurated the Varun Beverages Pepsi plant here in Mendi Pathar in North Garo Hills, Meghalaya. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of RB Corp and Varun Beverages, Shri Ravi Jaipuria ji, and other board members, Mr. Varun Jaipuria and others, for having selected Mendi Pathar, North Garo Hills and Meghalaya to set up this particular unit of Pepsi and its products, the bottling unit right here. This is a 340 crore plant, and full investment of course has been done by the company, and this is the largest bottling plant in the entire Northeast, and almost all the products of Pepsi and additional products will be bottled and manufactured right here in this location. And this is a huge push towards the overall economic development of this region and the state as a whole. You may recall that this industrial area was, the land was donated in the 1990s. And since then it's been 35 years and no major industries have come up. So this is a great blessing for the people of this area, this region, and the state as a whole. And I'm sure that with investments like these, with the jobs that have been created, we expect more and more industries to come in and set up their factories out here. And we take this opportunity to invite them to come and set up their units here in Meghalaya. And we'll be happy to support them for the overall development, as I said, of the state, and also to provide employment opportunities for our youngsters. Thank you very much.